Number 1. I am traveling to Valencia tomorrow. Number 2. She is reading a lecture on Sunday. Number 3. What time does the office open? Number 4. Are they going to the beach next month? Number 5. He is buying a gin next Monday. Number 6. The hospital opens at the 9 a.m. Number 7. The flight arrives at 7 p.m. Number 8. Doesn't the music close at 8 p.m.? Number 9. Doesn't the mall closing at 10 p.m.? Number 10. They are studying history only on Friday.